Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix WordPress website speed, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by analyzing your website speed using tools like Google PageSpeed Insights or Geekmetrics. Enter your website URL in the chosen tool. Review the speed score and identify key issues affecting your website's performance. Start with optimizing images by compressing them without losing quality. Use image formats like WebP for better performance. Next, consider using a content delivery network, or CDN, to distribute your content. Choose a reliable CDN provider. Integrate the CDN with your WordPress website. Then, minimize HTTP requests, combine CSS and JavaScript files into single files to decrease load time. Implement lazy loading for images and videos to improve initial load speed. Use a caching plugin to store static versions of your pages. Plugins like WP Super Cache or W3 Total Cache are good options. Ensure your website is using a lightweight theme. Consider moving to a premium theme if your current one is bloated. Next, disable or delete any unused plugins to reduce server load. Regularly review and update your active plugins. Keep your WordPress core, themes, and plugins updated to the latest versions. Optimize your database by removing old revisions, spam comments, and transient options. Use a plugin like WP Optimize for efficient database management. Review and optimize your web hosting plan. Consider upgrading to a managed WordPress hosting provider for better speed. Enforce HTTPS by installing an SSL certificate if you haven't already. Ensure your website is mobile responsive to retain speed across devices. Last, regularly check your website speed to stay informed about performance issues. Implement changes gradually and monitor their impact on speed. Continue optimizing as needed based on new technologies and practices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.